Out of Nigeria's capital tonight, a former top banking executive, once entrusted with managing billions in public funds, has been handed one of the longest prison sentences in Nigeria's anti-corruption history. A Federal Capital Territory High Court sitting in Abuja has sentenced a former managing director of the Nigerian Export-Import Bank, Nexim, Robert Orya, to a staggering 490 years in prison over a multi-billion naira fraud scandal. Yes, 490 years. The sentence was delivered by Justice F.E. Mesiri, who found Orya guilty on all 49 counts filed against him by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, the EFCC. The court imposed 10 years imprisonment on each count, with all sentences ordered to run concurrently. Orya served as managing director of Nexim Bank between 2009 and 2016, a period when the institution was expected to drive export growth, support Nigerian businesses, and strengthen the economy. Instead, prosecutors say the bank became a personal gold mine. For millions of Nigerians struggling to access business loans, for entrepreneurs whose applications were rejected, for small exporters who collapsed due to lack of funding. Please subscribe and share. Your support encourages us to continue delivering accurate and valuable information to you. This case is not just about one man. It is about opportunities lost, dreams delayed, and livelihoods destroyed. Money meant to grow Nigeria's economy was allegedly diverted for private gain. According to the EFCC, Robert Orya abused his office to fraudulently obtain over 1.4 billion naira from Nexim Bank. Investigators told the court that while still serving as managing director, Orya secretly incorporated a company. But it did not stop there. The EFCC revealed that the company was allegedly registered using the names of non-existent persons and, in some cases, real people who had no knowledge their identities were being used. Through this company, loans were secured from Nexim, loans that were never repaid. For years, the revelations raised troubling questions. How could such massive transactions pass internal controls? Who approved the loans? Who looked away? If a chief executive of a development bank could allegedly execute such a scheme, what else might be hidden within Nigeria's financial institutions? The case exposes the frightening scale of insider abuse in public offices. The man tasked with safeguarding public funds is now convicted of stealing from the very institution he led. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Your support means a lot and motivates us to continue serving you with trusted information. The official meant to protect Nigeria's economic future is now facing decades behind bars. It is a painful irony. Yet, within this dark story, there is a powerful message. The court's decision signals that no position is too high, no title is too big, and no office holder is above the law. The EFCC says the conviction demonstrates its commitment to pursuing corruption cases to their logical conclusion, no matter how long it takes. Orya was first arraigned in November 2021. After years of legal battles, judgment has now been delivered. But unease remains. Will stolen funds be fully recovered? Will other collaborators be exposed and prosecuted? Will systemic loopholes be permanently closed? Or will this case become just another shocking headline without lasting institutional reform? Tonight's verdict stands as both a warning and a test. A warning to public officials tempted to abuse power, and a test of Nigeria's resolve to cleanse its financial system. Former Nexim Bank Managing Director Robert Orya, sentenced to 490 years in prison over a 2.4 billion naira fraud. This is breaking news. Stay with us for more verified Nigeria news, political developments, anti-corruption updates, and national security stories as they unfold. Subscribe to Naija Broadcast for reliable breaking news, political updates, and important national stories. Like this video, share it, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.